Do you clean inside ovens, fridges, and cupboards as part of the service?
Yes, we do, and it's one of the most requested add-ons in our Presale Cleaning Service across Melbourne. When buyers tour a home, they often peek inside cupboards, drawers, fridges, and ovens, especially in kitchens and laundries. Dirty or neglected interiors can be a major turnoff, even if the rest of the house looks great. That's why we provide deep cleaning for high-impact internal areas, including kitchen and laundry, inside all cupboards, drawers, and pantry shelves. Full oven degreasing and detailing, racks, trays, glass. Fridge and freezer wipe down must be empty and defrosted. Range hood filters and cooktops, washing machines and dryers, external wipe down plus lint removal. Bathroom, inside vanity units and mirrored cabinets. Whether your home is occupied or vacant, our team comes equipped to scrub, degrease, polish and deodorize so that every drawer and shelf sparkles like new. Pro tip: a spotless oven and fridge shows buyers that your home has been truly cared for, not just cleaned for show.